This is the day after. This is Christmas Day after the blizzard. It's actually it's fairly nice outside. Yesterday, 35 to 60 mile an hour wind gusts. Pretty gnarly. Over a foot of snow. Snow drifts are way deeper, like over there next to the post. Over here, it's like at least a couple feet. Got over here. This is neat. The wind shaped this. That's just freaky. It's like a perfect little angle and everything. Ridge there. It's funky. Mother Nature is cool. Here's my car warming up because I'm fixing to go somewhere. Try. Thank God about a Subaru. And the house. My parents' house. Got snowed in over here last night, but should be able to get back. End transmission.